Benefits of aromatherapy oil with source. Benefits: relieves stress, acts as antidepressant, managing psychiatric disorders, increases energy levels, speeds up healing, reduces headaches, regulates sleep, strengthens immune system, relieves pain, improves digestion. Or Cacia Aromatherapy Body Oil, Warming Balsam for review. Description: pure essential oils. A blend of balsam fir, eucalyptus, juniper berry. New look. Same great soothing heat. Tested and verified for purity. Not tested on animals. No synthetic ingredients. Paraben and petroleum free. Suggested use: smooth over your body to deeply nourish your skin. Great as a bath oil too. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to running bath water. Luxury awaits. Other ingredients: Vitis vinifera, grape, seed oil, prunus armeniaca, apricot, kernel oil, prunus amygdalus dulcis, sweet almond oil, Abies balsamea, balsam fir, needle oil, citrus x lemon, lemon oil, Eucalyptus globulus, eucalyptus oil, Junipers communis, juniper, berry oil, Myrtus communis, myrtle oil, tocopherol, vitamin E. Warnings: store tightly closed in a cool, dry place. Caution: if pregnant, nursing, suffering from any medical condition, or taking medication, consult a healthcare practitioner before use. Avoid eyes and mucous membranes. May irritate skin. For external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.